Microbes are very small living entities unable to see by the naked eye that are found in water, soil and air. Most common types of microbes are bacteria, fungi, protozoans and viruses. Microbes are both beneficial and harmful. We depend on beneficial microbes. Microbes are also called microscopic organisms as they are visible only under a microscope. Some beneficial microbes are lactobacillus, yeast, streptomyces, etc. All viruses are harmful except fuzz virus. Most protozoans are also harmful. Viruses are always harmful. Here you have an image of coronavirus that causes COVID-19 disease. This is fuzz virus. Fuzz virus is the only beneficial virus that attacks or destroys harmful bacteria. Lactobacillus helps in curd formation. Yeast helps in bread preparation. Streptomyces helps in preparation of medicine. Trichonympha is beneficial protozoa. Here you have three images. Figure 1, that is image of lactobacillus bacteria which helps in curd preparation. Figure 2, image of yeast that helps in bread preparation. And figure 3, image of streptomyces helps in preparation of medicine. This is an image of Trichonympha, a flagellated protozoa. It resides in the gut of termites. The symbiosis between termites and Trichonympha is highly beneficial to both of them. Trichonympha produces the enzyme which helps to digest cellulose of the termites' diet. Termites in return provide Trichonympha shelter and food. Preparation of curd. 1. Before making curd, milk is boiled and taken in a bowl. 2. Milk must be lukewarm at the time of curd preparation. 3. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of starter, that is curd culture, for half a liter milk. Cover the bowl with a lid and keep it for 5 to 6 hours in room temperature to get curd. Role of microbe. Starter, that is previously prepared culture curd, contains lactobacillus bacteria. These bacteria converts milk sugar, lactose, into lactic acid. The lactic acid increases acidity of the milk, which curdles the milk protein casein. Preparation of bread. Ingredients required to prepare bread are flour, water and yeast powder. Dough is prepared by kneading flour, water and yeast powder. Punch dough to give shape. Now place it on a baking tray and bake it in oven. Role of microbe. Yeast breaks down the sugar present in flour. Carbon dioxide and alcohol are produced as byproduct of fermentation process. Carbon dioxide helps to swell the dough, and later carbon dioxide goes out of mixture. As a result, pores are produced in bread. Images show the preparation of bread and curd. Here you have two images. Figure 4 shows the preparation of bread that already discussed, and figure 5 preparation of bread, which also discussed earlier. Preparation of medicines. Different types of bacteria are used to produce medicines against bacterial or fungal infection or other microbial infection. Role of Streptomyces. Streptomyces is a group of bacteria used to produce antibiotic drugs such as erythromycin, streptomycin, neomycin, etc. Erythromycin and streptomycin are used as antibacterial drugs. We get 80% antibiotic drug from Streptomyces group of bacteria. So we depend on microbes for preparation of curd, bread and medicines. Thank you for watching this video. Stay with the channel to get more videos.